All right, so good morning, everybody. Today we're going to look at Canva's Magic Studio, and I'm going to show you the top 3 Magic Studio elements for your photo editing that I absolutely love. So let's get into it. All right, so first things first, please open Canva, whatever version works for you, whether it's mobile, the online version, or desktop. I'm personally using desktop version. I think it works really well. So that's where I'm at. Make sure you upload the photo that you want to be working with today, or photos if you have a couple. So what we're going to do is once you have your photo uploaded, you're going to click on it, go to the little thing that says edit that kind of has an image itself. And today we're going to be looking at this little tab here, the Magic Studio. So every single app or element that's in the Magic Studio is Canva Pro. So this is not a free feature, but it's still something that I think is very important to know how to use. So the 3 things we're going to be looking at today are the background remover, the magic eraser, and the magic grab. So let's start with the background remover. So we're going to click that and it's going to remove our background. Now, I've already done this before on this image, so it did it really fast. Sometimes it takes a second, so don't be alarmed if yours isn't doing it as fast as mine has. Now, the thing I love about the background remover is if you don't like how it tried to remove your background, just click back on the background remover and you can do erase or you can do restore, and it works really, really well for that, and that's amazing. And then the next hack we're going to look at is we're going to click on this image. We're going to go back to the photo editor, and we're going to look at the magic eraser. Now, the magic eraser itself it has a lot of potential, but I would not try to use it for human beings. It does not work on humans or anything that's kind of big in the picture or super obvious. I find it super helpful though for the little things you want to get rid of, or text in a photo. And in this instance, I have some text I want to get rid of. So I will show you how it works. So you have this little circle here. You're going to highlight whatever it is that you want to be removed from your photo. So I'm just going to go in and highlight. Okay, then we're going to hit erase. It's going to take a second, but it eventually will erase it. And if it doesn't do it on the first try, don't worry, it happens. Just try again. So as you can see, it removed it pretty well. I have a couple of spots down here. I'm just going to erase again. But after it's done, you will see that the text is no longer there. It did a pretty decent job at making sure it was just the bench left. So I give this thing a solid 5 or 6 out of 10 because it does do a good job at removing the little things. So then the next thing I want to show you is kind of a cool little hack. I've been wanting to learn how to do it myself for a while, and I found somebody who did it, so I wanted to repeat and show people how you actually do it. So you're going to click again on this photo. We're going to go to Magic Grab. So what it's going to do is it's going to run this image through Canva. It is going to pick out things that it can, big objects you can now grab and mess around with. So it has picked out the 2 benches and myself. So we're going to click on myself. We're going to grab that. And so what that's going to do is going to separate me from the image, but still keep the background. So as we can see, it's kind of done that. My hands don't really look like they're on the wall anymore. I kind of I'm floating a little bit. Sometimes it looks more real than others. In this instance, it doesn't look necessarily the best on the planet, but I still think it's cool. So anyway, we're going to click back on the image that you have grabbed. You're going to go to Edit, then go to the FX Effects tab and click Shadows. Once in Shadows, please click the outline, and it will automatically turn black. You can change the color, you can change the size. I'm changing it to white. And then let's see, do we like 25? Do we want smaller? Okay, I kind of like that. So now I've added a cute little outline to my person. It draws a lot of focus to whatever thing that you're doing, and I think just adds some character. So I wanted to show you those hacks today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this was helpful. This is my first tutorial, so I'm super excited. And thank you so much for joining. Subscribe for more Canva hacks and tutorials. Thanks.